So today we're going to be looking at how to use drop tools to end songs. Yes, and also if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Turn on your notification bell after subscribing to receive any video I'll be dropping. So let's get right into the video. Basically, you know that ending songs, it's one very important part in music, because it creates the way you end song. Actually, know how it creates this peace, you understand, in the music. So you cannot, you especially when the music is actually very calm music, right? Yeah. Crucify sounds like maybe I understand, leave to them, step the ground you choose to start me, right? So instead of entirely, you can, like, instead of just resolving the dominant seven, you can entirely. You get? So why I'm able to resolve or think of this melody is because I know that I'm ending on my 5, right? So instead of just just going down to hit my 5, I just feel like it's better I just kind of let's say you have enter me, no, sorry, get the land of all that grows, trample on the ground. You can just turn me. You understand? You get the feel. So basically, you need to create melodies around. We're going to be using a lot of songs, right? I'll be breaking them down, and I'll be doing different drop to patterns. So you need to think of different melodies that can go. You understand? And we'll be creating it right away. So if you are on your board while watching this lesson, I think it's a very, very big plus to you. So we'll be trying them out. Let's try. Okay. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands. You can still do the same melody. And thousands. You get? My beloved is the most beautiful. So why I did here was, so now instead of wanting to just play that drop, to like I just drop the melodies and then play the chords instead. So sorry, you get my beloved. So what I did is, we can do two. So I'll do it again. First chord, you can see. Drop twos, then you can see. Now dropping again. So my beloved is the most Okay. Sorry. You can still pick or yeah, I think this is it. So now I'm trying to create some like I'm working inside the song. So this is an extra bonus. So you can still put them inside. Right? Then you can have this is drop two. So right? So instead of playing this, instead of playing among thousand, then the normal rate you can just stack your flat seven. So or you get so you get so basically just find a melody that you know that you can use to resolve the song before it comes in again. Like it's there's this piece it comes with, you understand? And so let's pick another song. So okay, let's do this on F sharp for those that so that nobody will come to will come and be disturbing us. Please drop for F sharp, please. Let's try to learn. Okay, so any lesson you're able to watch, you're able to just interpret it as it is. You understand, and then you explore it on other case. So there is no lie. There is no let's get that right. I guess it's So you can see that before I wanted resolving to my one. So there is none like you. You can do this one. I think we'll do a class on this one. A diminished 7 walk down. So you can see that. So just try to figure out melodies. I'm trying to do a lot of random things, like you understand. I'm going to be very fast about it. So if you can pause and then try to figure out, Daddy Mayor in the building. Your name is entering my lesson today.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
So basically, that's the idea. So let me do it one more time. There is no like you. So you can even read the melody. There is no like you. You get. You can see the drop twos. So basically that's just the rough. That's just the idea. Find, like, think of melodies, and then drop them in the music. You understand? think, of, think of melodies and drop them in the music. You understand? So, guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video to someone that needs it. And God bless you. Cheers.